Updating your API settings on Zillow Rental Manager is essential for ensuring that your property listings are accurate and up to date. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Zillow Rental Manager website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access API settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the settings menu. This is usually found in the account dashboard or profile section. Click on it to access various account settings. Step 3. Access API settings. In the settings menu, look for the API settings option. Click on it to view your current API configurations and options for updating them. Step 4. Update your API information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ASRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, be sure to save the changes. Look for a save button or confirmation prompt to ensure that your new settings are applied. By following these steps, you can easily update your API settings on Zillow Rental Manager. Regularly checking and updating your settings will help maintain the accuracy of your property listings.